Back at you. All right, so we have a Mercedes here. She has a P0300 and then also a P0301, P0304. It's got multiple cylinders misfiring. We got some bad news to go over on this vehicle. It is a 2021 GLC 300. It's got the 2.0 liter turbocharged motor, which is an M264, and it's an X253 chassis. She does have 120 something thousand miles on it. It's got an issue with the cylinder head exhaust valves. It's a pretty common problem. We'll do a close-up with you. What's going on here? Back here is the cylinder head, right? This exhaust valve over here, number 4, is actually cracking on the valve, but they're not seating on the way. So if it doesn't seat on the cylinder head, it loses compression, and that's what it's doing. It can't build compression, so therefore it's misfiring, and it's due to the guides in the seats on this head. You could take the head to the machine shop, they can repair it, go through it, or you can go get a cylinder head from Mercedes. That's what we elected. We got a brand new cylinder head from Mercedes. That's what we're going to go back with. But come in here, take a look at what is involved on this repair. We've already started to go back with it. Actually, you have a new head gasket on right now, but there was a turbocharger here, intake manifold. All that gets removed, and I'll kind of go over and show you on this card over here, kind of what you kind of have to do. So up here is the turbocharger that comes off, and you have a bunch of hoses and covers. Down here you have, these are the GDI fuel injectors. It's a gasoline direct injected fuel system. You have a timing guide here. You have a vacuum pump. You have a high pressure fuel pump. You have both the camshaft gears, the sprockets for the VVT system, and your camshaft girdle here, which is also a valve cover. And you have both your camshafts with the rockers and lifters. Down here we got some piping, intake manifold, intercooler, some miscellaneous stuff over here. The bulk of this is going to be the labor, but there's going to be the parts, the cylinder head. This job, depending where you go, it's probably going to range from 7 to 9 grand. That's the range of this job. Like I said, depending on your area, there's a lot of factors. If you go to the dealership, independent shop, so that's a pretty good range. I say pretty fair numbers between 7 and 9 grand. So not cheap, not what you expect out of a 2021 vehicle. It's sad because this is a very common repair on this vehicle. This engine, the M264, it's notorious for this failure. So if you have this era of vehicle, this engine, you're going to expect this failure at some point in time, in my opinion, because we see so many of them. So I wanted to bring you in, show you what was wrong with this vehicle, go over it. If you guys like the content, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, share it to your friends, because we'll see you next time. See ya!